Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to use your Venmo card for Rainbow Six Siege. So, first thing you're going to need to do is to add your Venmo card to your platform. So you'll need to add Venmo card to the platform where you play Rainbow Six Siege. Like for example, Ubisoft Connect, PlayStation, Xbox, Steam, or Epic Games. So for Ubisoft Connect on PC, you just have to open the Ubisoft Connect application, go to your account information, and then select Payment Methods. Click on Add Payment Method and enter your Venmo card details, like for example, your card number, expiry date, CVV, and the billing address. Lastly is to save the card as your default payment method if desired. It depends on you. And then for PlayStation, you have to open settings on your console, go to account management, tap on account information, and then go to wallet, and finally go to payment methods. Select add a credit or debit card, and then input your Venmo card details. Now for Xbox, you just have to go to settings on your Xbox console, go to account, tap on payment and billing, and then tap on add a payment option. Choose credit or debit card, and then just enter your Venmo card details. Now for Steam or Epic Games, just have to go to account settings on the respective platform, navigate to payment methods, and then finally add your Venmo card as a new payment method. Now to make purchases in Rainbow Six Siege, once the Venmo card is added, you just have to open Rainbow Six Siege on your platform, go to the in-game store, and then select the item or currency pack that you want to purchase, like for example the Renown or the R6 credits. And then at the checkout, select your Venmo card as the payment method, and then you just have to confirm the purchase. And that's basically it. That's how you use your Venmo card for Rainbow Six Siege. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!